You did a job.
Thank you, Sarah. Yeah, I made that one and I made this one.
Sonic the Peeper.
Right here. He's shipping. This was my first sculpture ever. You say Sonic?
Cute.
It does kind of look like Sonic. Yo, we gotta do the alien.
So when did your love of the people start?
Cars painting. Soup, 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 soup.
Yeah, I shipped it. I shipped it.
Everyone go hard on heads.
I definitely
Banana
shipped it.
merch when?
Circa 2009.
Circa 2009. Yeah, it was probably somewhere around. It was probably somewhere around the first day that I was ever on the internet. No, I haven't shipped it yet, but I'm preparing some more stuff for Kara. I can't ship it yet. Okay. See, this is what I'm. Who said
There are
earlier?
blue jizz in the fridge.
No, there's no blue jizz.
You're preparing.
Wait, is it alright if there's chunks in this?
How dare the coon rag?
Or maybe it's just some bubbles.
From what I'm seeing, it doesn't look
Camel
bad.
toe.
Just go ahead and get that other bowl. You can put that off to the side.
Can I lick the spoon?
Okay.
We're gonna do the dry ingredients now. In the bowl.
Pretty sure Peepo is fond of camel at this point too. You two are homies, I'm pretty sure.
Phil, it's not gonna taste very good,
Did
dude.
someone
I'll be
say
honest,
my name?
You can lick it though. Phil?
Yeah.
Did somebody say Phil?
I missed you so much.
Kara, yo, Kara. Okay, other bowl for the dry ingredients.
Yes.
Okay, kebab.
Painting.
Whatever, kebabs.
Yeah. Kara.
Are you Kara? Wait. Where the frog did you put that pan? Hey Kebab BZ.
It's chilling on the fucking. It's fine, dude. I'm running out of space, Phil. We're running out of space, dude. We got a balance now, dude. We just build
Camel
towers.
my address, so it's all good.
Juicers get in the gambit or childish tree.
F-R-U-G-G-I-N-G
Where's my scale at?
Christ. Yo cake and Miss T.
Alright, so what do we need for the dry ingredients?
Okay, so it's gonna be 11 ounces of.
Rajo, you'd better
We have it
move
caked
the